Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got a GV80. As you can see there, we got a negative camber on our tires right rear. So we're gonna lift this up and let's see what's the problem on this one. Okay, so we're underneath the vehicle and we can see here, there's my knife, that our trailing arm is bent. Someone did the wrong towing on this one. So apparently this vehicle got stuck in the snow and they called the tow truck. I think they used this guy here to put the chain. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the tire and just two bolts here, one, two in here. So we're gonna replace those bolts and we're gonna do an alignment. Okay, so I don't think we have to support this anything because we have a control arm here. I'm just gonna remove this first. This is 19. Okay. Top bolt for that. The camber bolt is but maybe a toe, because this is for the toe. 22 on the back one, the nut is 19. So as you can see in there, there's some markings there. We're just gonna put some marks in there. I'll put our new bolts as much as possible on that one. I know we're gonna do an alignment. At least it's not gonna be too much when we do the alignment, the movement or the adjustment. I'm gonna do the other side too, and we can remove that. There's our piece. I'm gonna grab the new one. Okay, so here's our new part, and that's broken. So I thought this is a solid bar, so it's just a hollow. So consider there's a hole in the middle. So I thought this one is a like solid bar. So at least we know something. So let's just install this guy here, and then we'll see. So that's why it was spinning earlier when I was using the gun. We're supposed to take off the nut at the back, and you do it like that. Okay, so that's tight. I'm not gonna go crazy tightening it because I'm gonna do alignment, because we still have to adjust this and see if everything is good. So I'm just gonna put the tires, and then we're gonna go to the alignment rack. Okay, so in order to put this in neutral, usually we're gonna do for ignition on, right? Once you turn it off, press your brake pedal there, and on this shifter lock cover, you just have to press that. That should be to neutral right now. So let me try removing that. Okay, so it's staying neutral now, and then let's do the alignment process. Okay, so to complete the process of our alignment repair, we're gonna go to our steering angle sensor to recalibrate that. So in this case, that's oh man. So let me go through with that. We're using the Think Tool Pro. Let's see if this one can calibrate, because this is a 2023 model. So yeah, you have to do the recalibration for that. That's gonna be on the ABS side. If you can't find it on the steering module, so it's not gonna be there. Okay, so it doesn't show here. Okay, let's go MDPS. Special function, steering angle calibration. So just follow ignition on engine stop, turn steering wheel to the straight ahead position. I think that's straight enough for me. So we just have to press OK. Okay, so he's saying it's not available, so we have to go to ESC. So it's either that ESC. ECS, electronic control suspension. Is it there? No, it's not there. ESC or the ABS. I think that's the only thing I know. Okay, there you go. So I think I pressed the wrong system earlier. So special function, steering angle calibration. So same thing, straighten the front tire, orange steering wheel at the center position, ignition on, engine stop, and then we'll just press OK. Okay, ignition off for 10 seconds. So yeah, I think I pressed the wrong system there. That's why I didn't find that special function. We went to the MDPS, but what I know, if you have MDPS and the ESC or the ABS, to do a steering calibration, you go to the ABS side, not on the MDPS, even though it's pertaining to the power steering module. So we got ignition on, press OK. Okay, so it went through. That's good. I just have to start the car, make sure there's no warning lights there. That's good. Now we just have to test drive this vehicle. Okay, so we're outside now. So far the car is driving straight, no pulling or anything, or I don't hear any abnormal noise, which is good. So that's it, guys. That was a quick repair on the suspension. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Thank you for watching.